It refers to the process of exposing seeds or seedlings to low temperature to induce flowering. A. Photoperiodism. B. Volatilization. C. Acclimatization. Or D. Vernalization. The answer is vernalization. Photoperiodism is the response to changes in day length, or the regulation of development in response to day length, such as flowering. Volatilization is the process of converting a chemical substance, such as a fertilizer, from a liquid or solid state to a gaseous or vapor state. Acclimatization or hardening is a process in which a plant adapts or adjusts to its environment by repeatedly exposing them to stress, such as hot environment. Next, these are plants grown for their fleshy underground stem that spreads horizontally. A. Corms. B. Rhizomes. C. Tubers. Or D. Bulbs. The answer is rhizomes. Corms, they are also specialized stem but they grow vertically. Tubers can grow in any direction. So normally they are characterized with having buds or eyes which will eventually grow into a new plant. Bulbs, on the other hand, they have a very short stem with fleshy leaves. Normally their leaves are overlapping. An example of this is the onion and garlic. Next, it is an undesirable phenomenon affecting tissue culture-based propagation wherein plant tissues appear overly succulent, crisp, waterlogged, or glassy. A. Vitrification. B. Lignification. C. Vernalization. Or D. Guttation. The answer is vitrification or hyperhydricity. Lignification, it is a process that changes the character of a cell wall by making it harder. Vernalization, it is the artificial exposure of plants or seeds to low temperature to induce flowering. Guttation. Guttation is the loss of water in the form of liquid through hydatodes or water stomates. Next, the study of growing, arranging, and marketing of flowers and flowering plants. A. Olericulture. B. Floriculture. C. Sericulture. Or D. Arboriculture. The answer is floriculture. So let's go to the etymology. Flori, from the word flos or floor, meaning flowers. Oleri, from the Greek word olus, meaning vegetables. Arbori, from the word arbor, meaning trees. And seri, from the word sericum, meaning silk. So sericulture is the study of silk production. Next, it refers to the group of plants that have no self-supporting stem. A. Herbs. B. Vines. C. Shrubs. Or D. Trees. The answer is vines. Trees are characterized by having a trunk. Shrubs are woody and with bushy appearance. Herbs do not have woody stem. But all of these three have self-supporting stem. Next, the term used to describe seeds that could not be kept viable for a long time and cannot withstand drying. A. Recalcitrant. B. Albuminous. C. Perispermic. or D. Orthodox seeds? The answer is recalcitrant seeds. This is also called as the desiccation-sensitive seeds. So they cannot survive drying below 20 to 30% of their relative moisture content. An example of this is the avocado and cocoa. Orthodox seeds, on the other hand, is the opposite of recalcitrant. They can survive drying below 12% of their relative moisture content. An example of this are eggplant and legumes. Albuminous seeds or the endospermic seeds are those seeds that retain their endosperm until maturity. So what is the endosperm? These are tissues that surround and nourishes the embryo in the seeds. So an example of albuminous seeds are castor and sunflower seeds. Perispermic seeds are those seeds that contain perisperm. So what are perisperm? Perisperms are nutritive tissue of the seeds. An example of perispermic seeds are black pepper. Next, it refers to the plants that require short period of darkness to flower. A. Long day plants. B. Day neutral plants. C. Short day plants. Or D. Long night plants. The answer is long day plants. Long day plants, day neutral plants, and short day plants, these are classification of plants based on their photoperiod. So long day plants, these are plants that will flower when exposed to long day or short night. Day neutral plants, these are the plants that will flower regardless of the day length. While short day plants, these plants will flower when exposed to short day or long night. Next, organ growth towards the source of a particular substance is called A. Chemotropism, B. Thigmotropism, C. Hydrotropism, or D. Phototropism. The answer is chemotropism. Thigmotropism is response to mechanical stimuli. Hydro responds to water. Photo responds to light. Next, the structure that joins together two adjacent cells is called A. Cement layer, B. Middle lamella, C. Cell wall, or D. cambium. The answer is middle lamella. Cement layer is the outermost layer of the epicuticle of insects. Cell wall. It is the rigid yet elastic outermost layer of plant cells. So, cell walls are further divided into three parts: the primary cell wall, the middle lamella, and the secondary cell wall. But the middle lamella is the one that cements or joins together the two adjacent cells. Cambium, on the other hand, these are secondary meristems that are formed in the stems and roots after the tissues of the primary plant bodies have differentiated. Next, the organelle that plays the vital role in maintaining turgor in the cytosol is called A. Golgi bodies, B. Ribosomes, C. Chloroplast, or D. Vacuole. The answer is vacuole. So, Golgi bodies are for polysaccharide synthesis. Ribosomes are for protein synthesis. And chloroplast is the site of photosynthesis. In case you don't know what cytosol is the fluid contained in the cytoplasm. So, cytoplasm is the entire content within the cell membrane. Next, the structure that surrounds the plasmalemma and the protoplast is called A. Cell membrane, B. Tonoplast, C. Cell wall, or D. Plasmodesmata. So what is protoplast? Protoplast refers to the entire cell, excluding the cell wall. Plasmalemma is also called the cell membrane. So what structure surrounds the cell membrane? It's the cell wall. Tonoplast is the membrane that surrounds the vacuole. And plasmodesmata are small tubes that allow intracellular communication in plants.